Welcome to Spec Surgical Industry, where quality meets precision. I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing tool in the world of surgery, the Knapp Retractor. As a trusted manufacturer and exporter of premium surgical instruments, we're dedicated to providing distributors and suppliers with products that stand out in quality and functionality. Today, I'm thrilled to spotlight the Knapp Retractor, a crucial instrument for any surgical team. Crafted with exceptional precision, our retractors are designed to offer unparalleled reliability and performance. Imagine the confidence that comes with knowing surgeons can maintain clear visibility in the operating field thanks to your choice of equipment. Why are Knapp retractors a must-have? They're constructed from durable, medical-grade stainless steel, ensuring they meet the high demands of complex surgical procedures and withstand repeated sterilizations without compromising integrity. The ergonomic design is a standout feature, allowing for effortless handling and effective tissue retraction while minimizing hand strain during those long procedures. Plus, with smooth edges and a polished finish, these retractors enhance patient safety and deliver dependable performance every time. Choosing Spec Surgical Industry means aligning with a global leader committed to excellence. We adhere to strict quality standards and leverage advanced manufacturing techniques to ensure every instrument meets international benchmarks for surgical safety and effectiveness. Our dedication to innovation and quality makes us the ideal partner for suppliers and distributors seeking top-tier surgical instruments. Thank you for considering Spec Surgical Industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on our extensive range of surgical tools. For inquiries or to place orders, please refer to the contact information provided in the video description. Remember, with Spec Surgical Industry, you're choosing reliability, precision, and excellence.